Oh, thanks.
No, you have to wait.
It's okay. I don't have to.
No,
The civil rights protect me.
Actually, no, you can't be in the store without a mask, man. You gotta get out now.
That's actually not true.
It is true. It's our store policy. You have to
Well,
wear the
store policy doesn't trump the law, does it?
mask. No, you have to wear the mask.
Or what?
You can't be in the store.
And who are you?
I'm telling you, you can't be in
What's
the store
your
without
name?
a mask. Tyler,
Tyler, what's your last name?
don't worry about it. Don't film me.
I'm being a jerk. How am I being a jerk?
Cannot be in the
He's
store.
trying.
Do you want me to call,
How am I being a jerk?
do you want me to call BPD?
Because I won't suffocate myself? Yeah, I'm being a jerk, guys. Tyler, look, I don't think you understand the
No.
civil rights.
You don't understand the store rules. Come
Bruh.
on, call the security.
Call
You have a mask?
security.
You have a mask.
No, I don't have a mask. I don't wear
Get out of
it.
the store. You cannot leave here.
Look, you're getting really emotional, bro. I'm just trying to go buy a pie.
No. You can't buy anything in here without the mask.
Well, you're actually both incorrect.
No, we are not incorrect. Get out of the store without the mask.
No.
You can film me all you want. Hi.
Look. You guys are in direct violation of
We
the
are
Civil
not
Rights
in any
Act.
violation of any civil rights.
You want to bet?
Crazy. No, I don't want to
You know
bet.
how many people have sued so far?
Sue whoever. You're not suing anyone.
I
It's
will
a
hold
store
you.
policy.
I'll hold you
It's
personally
a store
liable.
policy. Get out of the store without the mask.
I'm gonna hold you personally liable if you don't get out of my
care.
face right now. I'm gonna
not
give
in
you
your
5,
face. Get out of my store.
4,
What are you
3.
gonna do? What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna sue the shit out of
You're
you.
not gonna sue anybody.
You want to bet?
You sound like
You-
a bozo.
Do you know how many cases I have pending right now?
Too many. You're losing a lot of money.
No, I'm actually gonna be extremely fucking wealthy.
You really think that?
Oh, I know for a fact,
You're
sir.
crazy. You sound crazy.
You're the one in the mask restricting.
Yes, because I'm at work. 8,000 cases last week.
Yeah. You're a newsmonger. That's all you know is the fake news, buddy.
All right, man. You bet. I would really get it. Nope. Don't stop.
Well, Tyler,
Stop. No.
look, I'm sorry to say this. I was being really nice to you.
I don't care, dude. You're not listening.
I don't
The
care
rules are the
is,
rules.
guys, remember I told you this?
The
I don't
rules are
care.
the rules.
You sound like, are you my mom or something, dude?
Why are you doing this?
Why are you being a beta male?
You are a beta male. You're the one who can't just follow a simple rule.
It's not you're violating my
Get out
constitutional
of the store.
protected rights.
Dude, the cops are gonna come in 1 minute. You better get out.
Dude, you're gonna go really, really viral with me.
Cool.
And then you're gonna get sued.
Yeah.
If you don't leave me alone.
I'm sure I'm gonna get sued. You sound like a cornball.
I don't have to
You
leave.
have to leave because you don't have a mask. You gotta leave.
What's your name?
Don't worry about it. You gotta leave.
You don't think I can figure out what your name
I
is?
don't care, but you have to leave. Get the fuck out.
What are you gonna do, Tyler?
Nothing. Get out. We're gonna call the cops.
You're gonna call the cops?
Yes.
I'm gonna call the cops on you and have
Call the
you
cops on
civilly
me. I don't
arrested.
care. Civilly arrested?
Yeah. Because you don't even know what the fuck you're saying.
You don't know what you're saying. Get out of the store. Why can't you listen?
Dude,
Take you personally. Fine.
You gotta leave, man. You gotta leave.
these guys don't understand the
You
civil.
already called us.
Yeah, you're coming on the way, but
Look, I'm gonna let you know. If you guys call the cops on me, you're all getting sued.
No, don't call the cops.
Huh?
No, nobody's going to call the
I'm
cops.
just letting them know.
Yeah. No, it's just we do have a store policy where you do have to have a mask, and I understand that some people can't wear them for medical reasons.
Okay.
So I'm
and
happy-
religious
Yeah,
reasons.
yes, of course.
Right.
So what I'm happy to do is, like, if you need something from our store, I'm happy to run and grab it for you.
Sure,
Bring
but
it up front.
I don't want that. I want equal and just service.
That's fair, but we do have a store policy because we might have people in here who have
So
medical
that's fair.
issues.
Look, and I appreciate being reasonably with.
Yeah.
I appreciate you coming over to talk to me. Your policy doesn't trump the law. It doesn't matter what your policy is, what the governor's mandate is. None of that's the law. The Constitution protects my rights, and
Of
I want to
course.
go buy a pie, and I don't want anyone to do it for me, because I just want to do it myself. And I'm not a public threat.
No, it's fair, but yeah,
I'm the healthiest guy in the whole place, most likely.
we're just trying to make everybody feel comfortable in here too. You know.
Well, what about me and my
That's what I'm saying. That's
my
why
right
it's
to
like, how can
breathe?
How can I cater to you to get this cake for you, whatever you're trying to get?
I appreciate it. I really do.
Yeah.
I really appreciate it. I know you're being put in a tough position, but that still doesn't give you the right to violate my civil rights.
No, and nor do I want to.
And I just want to let you guys know, anyone that violates my civil rights, I can hold liable in a court of law for millions of dollars.
Of course.
That means you lose your house, you lose your job, you lose everything in your bank account, and it goes to me. Just so you know that. And that goes with you as well. You understand the Civil Rights Act?
I have no clue what's going on.
Well, they're saying I can't shop without a mask, without restricting my breathing, which is against my religious, and it's a medical infringement against me.
I understand that.
Right.
They do have the right to refuse service.
Yeah, they do, and that's called discrimination. And I'm sure you guys understand about discrimination. It's a Civil Rights Act of 1964. Now, if they do that, they have every right to do that, right? Now, if they do that, I'm going to sue all of them for millions of dollars.
Can I ask you one question, sir?
Sure.
Are you refusing to leave?
Am I refusing to leave? Well, am I breaking the law?
I'm gonna ask you a simple question.
Well, I just want to go get a pie. They didn't tell me to leave.
No, and like I said, if you wait, I'm happy to go get this pie for you and ring it up front.
No, I know. And look, I know this is putting you in a weird position. It's a stressful position. But it still does not give you the right to violate my constitutionally protected rights. Okay, order followers are the people that hold the system of slavery in place. I'll say that again. Order followers are the people that hold the system of slavery in place. I don't know if that means anything to you guys. So, I'd like to go buy my pie. I don't need any help to do it.
Would you mind if I follow you just in case there are guests who want to be socially distanced?
Sure.
Or someone who doesn't want to wear a mask?
If you want to do that, sure, go ahead.
Like I said, I just want to make sure that everybody within our walls is as comfortable as possible, and I'm happy
Well-
to help
well-
you get this pie.
What's your name?
Christian.
Christian. I'm not comfortable wearing a mask. I'm actually extremely uncomfortable wearing one. And I'm extremely uncomfortable with everyone kind of surrounding me and trying to intimidate me or humiliate me.
By no means am I trying to do that.
No, and I respect you, and I really do respect you. But I don't respect Tyler coming over and getting in my face and telling me to leave. And I don't appreciate security coming up to me and acting like I'm a threat when I literally just came in to get a pie. You know what I mean?
I was just called over. COVID-19 is going around. It's very contagious if you do have it.
So it's not. That's actually all bullshit.
Well, I'm just here to enforce what they teach me. And what they teach me is that if people do not have on a mask, they're not able to shop around within the store.
Okay, so they're throwing you under the bus, my man.
I'm here
Because I know that you don't really understand the law to the full extent, but that's a direct violation of my civil rights, which carries a minimum sentence of $25,000 per person who violates it. And any company that violates it, it's in the millions. I'm not doing any case for under $21 million. And I'm winning all of them. Just to let you know. So I don't want to put you in an uncomfortable position. But you've already put me in an uncomfortable position. And I am not a threat to the public. I am not damaging property. And I have every right to be here. And I would just like to go buy a pie. And I don't want to get harassed anymore. Because that's another criminal offense.
Understandable.
Right. So if you want to follow me around, so be it.
But you understand that some guests might be uncomfortable with somebody not wearing a mask. You know, everybody is entitled to their beliefs. If you're thinking that...
That's fine.
Yeah, okay.
But I am not infringing against anybody's rights at all. In fact, the whole insanity of me having to wear a mask is so insane that you won't even believe how... They've never even isolated the virus. And the guy who invented the test, who they killed in August 2019... He said that you can't even use this test to test for infectious diseases. So the whole thing's a fraud that I'm not going to play into, and my religious beliefs don't allow me to play into them. My medical information, none of this applies to me. And I am not causing anybody harm whatsoever. In fact, by me putting on a mask, it's slowly suffocating me. That's causing me harm. That's lowering my immune system. And the only way to get rid of a virus, if there was a virus, is with your immune system. Not some magic fucking pill, not some shot, no vaccine, your immune system. So, without further ado, can I just go get my pie?
Can I ask you what kind of pie you were interested in getting today?
Well, I don't know. I want to go see, I want to go have the right to experience, to the right of service.
Yeah, of course.
We have the right to refuse that service.
Well, okay, so I don't know if you're new to the conversation.
I'm not. I've been listening. It seems like you're referencing the Americans with Disability Act of 1996. Does not apply to public health concerns.
It definitely does.
It does not.
You want to try me in court?
Department of Justice memo issued.
All right. What was your name again? I didn't get your
My
name.
name is Daniel Mercier. The ADA does not provide a blanket exception to people with disabilities from complying with legitimate safety requirements necessary for safe operations. The Department of Justice, which helps enforce the ADA, said in the June 30th press release.
Oliver, can you grab this?
Okay. Violates my civil rights.
It does not.
Oh, you are you a lawyer?
No, but
Are you pretending to be a
we've been
lawyer?
working in this environment for the past year. So what we want to do is to get you what you want.
Look, that's
in
not
the most
the same.
undramatic possible fashion.
Well, this has already become it's already humiliating to me.
As you're
It's
broadcasting on Facebook or whatever it is you're doing.
well, this is for my evidence in a court.
That's fine.
Because guess what? When I take
So we
people
are
to court
providing you
for
with a
federal
reasonable
crimes, I don't
accommodation.
lose.
We are trying to
I win
provide
every
you with
single
a
time.
reasonable accommodation
It's-
that you refuse to comply with.
Okay.
And we have the right to refuse you service if you do not want to comply with that. So what we will do now is
Okay.
escort you to what you want to buy to make sure that you are 6 feet distance from any other patron so that we can ensure their safety. It's
Okay.
not an argument. It's not a discussion.
Okay.
So let's go. What would you like to get?
I don't think you guys realize how like infringing on my rights you guys are being. And what was your name, sir?
Dan Mercier.
What is it again?
Want my business card? Here you go.
I would.
Well, I guess I don't have one on me right now, but I will go grab one for you happily as we finish the test.
That would be awesome. Because I know you think you're right, but trust me, you're
I
wrong.
believe that you feel you're right as well. We are going to agree to disagree. Which pie
Okay.
would you like, sir?
Well, I would like this one right here.
Which one? Floral?
All the way in the back, yes. Yes. And I will let you know, it is a direct violation of my civil rights.
Not of the Americans with Disability Act.
Did I say the American Disabilities Act
You said
once?
that it was a medical requirement.
Well, it also infringes upon that as well.
But that's what I'm saying is that the Americans with Disability
According,
Act does not apply
who is
to
that
public
according
health
to?
insurance.
Who is that according to?
The U.S. government.
Okay. Do you understand that we the people give the U.S. government their power?
That's your prerogative, sir.
No,
But
it's
we,
it's the
and
true
as a private
fact.
business, we have the right to refuse service. That's all we're saying.
All right. Well, I'm thankful that you didn't deny me service because if you did, you'd be looking at some serious federal
If
crimes.
we had not offered appropriate accommodations to your request.
I mean, look, this is all so ridiculous. At least I'm getting my pie. You know?
fair.
Yeah. You know? And at least you guys are not violating. I mean, you kind of are, but I'm going to give you a pass. You know? I respect you coming up to being really respectful. But, you know, I don't want to ever, if I come here again, I don't want to have to deal with this again, to be honest.
$33.
Well, did you have something to say?
Please stop harassing our guests or I will have you removed from the store. Do not talk to any other guests that disagree with
Oh,
your opinion.
she's flipping me off, sir.
That's fine. Please pay and then you can go.
And I want your business card as well.
Sounds good. I'll meet you at the front of the store, sir.
Okay, cool. Christian, sorry that you had to deal with this, bro. It's not what I like to do, but it's like, you know.
I'm gonna. Oh yeah, Dan's gonna meet us up.
Okay. Well, we got my pie. Thank God. Thank you guys for causing a scene, which you didn't need to do. All right. What was his name? Dan?
Yes.
Can I get Dan's business card? That'd be great.
Dan's coming to get it.
All right, good. And I know it's a stressful situation, but it still doesn't give anyone the right to make people wear masks. Like, none of this is okay.
I mean,
You know, remember in China when everyone was wearing masks, and now it's the most insane dictatorship of all time? Where do you think this is all going? You know? I haven't worn a mask once. I'm healthy as could be. I'm probably healthier than I've ever been in my life. And the fact that people are treating me like a public threat is it's not right. And the fact that you guys have policies that violate civil rights, that's not right as well. If you guys didn't serve me today, you'd be getting sued for $21 million. And I wouldn't even step a foot in a courtroom, and you guys would all lose, all of you, personally and the company. So I just want you to know that, just for future reference, because I don't want to. You seem like a nice guy, and I don't want you guys to get the full extent of the law, because we have a constitution for a reason. So I appreciate that you guys gave me this. I wish there wasn't so much hassle, and well, I guess that you guys get a pass because I got my pie. So.
have a great night.
You too, brother. Later. Well, that's cool. I got my pie. I did get harassed. Christian was really nice. Let's see. Dan Mercier